In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use double XLOOKUP formula in Microsoft Excel. In this quick lesson, we'll go through how to build a double XLOOKUP formula and, more importantly, how it works. This is a very useful technique when you need to return a value based on both a row match and a column match. In other words, instead of looking up just one condition, you're using one XLOOKUP inside another to pinpoint the exact result you want. To get started, click into cell G4 and type this formula exactly as shown, equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, G2, comma, A2 to A5, comma, XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, G3, comma, B1 to D1, comma, B2 to D5, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Written normally, the formula is equals XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, G2, A2 colon A5, XLOOKUP, open parenthesis, G3, B1 colon D1, B2 colon D5, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Once you enter that formula, Excel will use two lookup operations together. The inner XLOOKUP runs first. That part is XLOOKUP with G3, B1 through D1, and B2 through D5. Its job is to find the selected month from the header row and return the entire matching column of values from the table below. So if the selected month is Feb, the inner formula returns the full February column. Then the outer XLOOKUP takes over. That part uses G2 as the lookup value and A2 through A5 as the lookup array. Its job is to find the selected product in the product list. Instead of returning from a fixed column, it returns from the column that was just provided by the inner XLOOKUP. So if G2 contains mouse and the inner lookup return the February column, the outer lookup returns the February value for mouse. This is what makes the formula so powerful. It lets you perform a two-way lookup with a single nested formula, which is perfect for summary tables, dashboards, and interactive worksheets where the row item and the column heading may both change. As you type, make sure your ranges match the layout of your own table exactly. If the lookup values in G2 or G3 don't match the entries in the table, the formula may return an error or no result, so it helps to double check spelling and formatting. And that's it. You've now learned how to use a double XLOOKUP formula in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.